Times Now. Action begins here.
After Talengana clamour for a smaller state grows, now Bodoland Territorial Council protest for a new state comprising of the Bodo tribe-dominated areas of Assam. There has been a 12 hours of railway blockade which has been organised by the All Bodo Student Union in demand of a separate state of Bodoland. All trains to Assam have been halted at this moment. That's the information we've been getting. We're also getting some reactions from the ground. Let's listen into that first.
It is because of discriminatory role of the government of India. Because in last 3 decades, continually all Bodo Student Union and Bodo people, we are demanding separate state under Article 2 and 3. And Indian Constitution, there is a provision that we want to live with our dignity, with our identity and culture. So government of India, they are not giving justice. We demand justice. We want our political right. Government of India must address our demand, address our issue. Government of India must have a policy, a national policy which we are demanding. There must be uniform policy. All the time they are discriminating us.
Well, these are the latest visuals coming in from Assam. We have Arindam joining us. Arindam, there is a 12-hour railway blockade which has been organized by this group. Give us the position of the government on their demand.
Yes, after the decision on Talengana, the clamour for a separate Bodoland, a separate statehood for Bodoland is growing louder now. The All Bodo Students Union has intensified their agitation in their demand for a separate Bodoland. In fact, today they have called for a 12-hour railway blockade in Kokrajhar. The blockade had started from 5 a.m. this morning. More than 10,000 protesters, not only belonging to the All Bodo Students Union, but also various other organizations of the Bodo community joining in this rail blockade program. Several train services, have been disrupted because of this blockade. In fact, several trains are either cancelled or have been terminated at several other stations. So right now, the All Bodo Students Union has said that they will intensify their agitation if the demand for a separate Bodoland is not met by the government. So in the coming days also, the All Bodo Students Union and other organizations of the Bodo community have threatened to intensify their agitation in their demand for a separate Bodoland state.
All right, Arindam.